The measurement of sampling error usually called as precision of sampling plan. While selecting sampling procedure, researcher must ensure that procedure causes the relatively small sampling error. Sampling error വളരെ കുറവുള്ളതാണ് എടുക്കാൻ നോക്കേണ്ടത്. We can list down the characteristics of a good sample design. Sample design must be result in truly representative sample ആയിരിക്കണം. Sample design must be result small sampling error ആയിരിക്കണം. Sampling design must be viable in the context of funds available for the research study. വയബിൾ ആയിരിക്കണം. സാമ്പിൾ ഡിസൈൻ മസ്റ്റ് ബി സച്ച് സോ ദാറ്റ് സിസ്റ്റമാറ്റിക് ബയാസ് ഒരുപാട് ഇല്ല അതായിരിക്കരുത്. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ പറയുന്നത് എന്താ വെച്ചാൽ അടുത്ത് പറയുന്നതാണ് കൺട്രോൾഡ് ബൈ ബെറ്റർ വേ എന്നൊക്കെയാണ് പറയുന്നത്. ഓൺ ദ റെപ്രസെൻറ്റേഷൻ ബേസിസ് ദ സാമ്പിൾ മേ പ്രോബബിലിറ്റി സാമ്പിളിംഗ് ഓർ മേ ബി റെപ്രസെൻറ്റേറ്റീവ് നോൺ പ്രോബബിലിറ്റി സാമ്പിളിംഗ്. പ്രോബബിലിറ്റി സാമ്പിളിംഗ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞു റാൻഡം സെലക്ഷൻ ആണെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. On element of selection basis sample may be either unrestricted or restricted. Each sample can be drawn individually from the population at large. Then sample draw is known as unrestricted sampling, whereas all other forms of sampling area covered under the term restricted sampling. Non-probability sampling, also known by different names such as deliberate sampling, purposive sampling and judgment sampling. Random sampling ensures the law of statistical regularity, which states if on an average sample chosen is random one, the sample will have same composition and characteristics as the universe. Relatively easy method of obtaining random sample can be simplified in actual practice by the use of random number tables. Tippett's random number table is used for this purpose. If list of population is not available, choose few items in absurd manner and should treat the sample as a random sample for study purposes. If there is a hidden periodicity in the population, systematic sampling will prove to be an inefficient method of sampling. If population from the sample is drawn does not constitute a homogeneous group, stratified sampling applied. Subpopulation, multi-stage sampling, undersampling we already discussed. Okay, then measurement, we mean that process of assigning number to the objects or observations. Technically speaking, measurement is a process of mapping the aspects of domain onto the aspect of a range according to some rule of correspondence. In this artificial or nominal way, categorical data to mean numerical data code various categories. We refer to the number of we record nominal data. Nominal data are numerical in the name only. Okay. The most widely used classification of measurement: nominal scale, ordinal scale, interval scale and ratio scale. Nominal scale simply a system of assigning numbers symbol to the events in order to label them. The continuing number of each group is only possible arithmetic operation in nominal scale. Nominal scale is the least powerful level of measurement. Nominal scale indicates no order or distant relationship and has no arithmetic origin. Accordingly, we are restricted to use mode as the measures of central tendency. There is no generally used measures of dispersion for nominal scales. Chi-square test is the most common test for statistical significance that can be utilized. The ordinal scale place events in order, but there is no attempt to make interval scale equal in terms for some rule. Rank orders represent ordinal scales and are frequently used in research relating to qualitative phenomena. Ordinal measures have no absolute value and the real difference between adjacent ranks may be equal. Thus, the use of ordinal scale sampling is a statement of greater than or less than acceptable without being able to state how much greater or less. Ordinalന്റെ പ്രത്യേകത എത്രത്തോളം കൂടുതലാണ് കുറവാണെന്ന് പറയാൻ സാധിക്കില്ല. Since the number of this scale have only the ranking meaning, the appropriate measure of central tendency is the median. ഒരു appropriate ലെവലാണ് എടുക്കുന്നത്. A percentile or quartile measure is used for measuring dispersion. Correlations are restricted to various ranking order methods. Interval scale have the arbitrary zero, but it is not possible to determine what may be called an absolute zero or unique origin. The Fahrenheit scale is an example for interval scale. The interval scale mean is the appropriate measure of central tendency, while standard deviation is the most widely used to measures of dispersion. Ratio scale has an absolute true zero measurement. Ratios that represent actual amounts of variables. Generally, statistical technique usable with the ratio scale or manipulation of one carry out with the number of other carry out ratio scale. Okay, nominal, ordinal, interval scale, these are the major one. Sound measurement must meet the test of validity, reliability and practicability. Validity refers to the extent of the test measures what we actually wish to measure. Content validity is the extent to which measuring the instrument provides adequate coverage.